Hello, professionals. Today, I am walking you through the complete AutoCAD install on a fresh Windows machine. By the end, you will be ready to draft, model, and design without missing a beat. Let us start today. First, open your browser and navigate to our official website. Locate the AutoCAD download for Windows, save the deployment file to your desktop. Run it, the setup wizard launches on its own immediately for you. Inside that wizard, the main application is extracted automatically. All the supporting libraries are pulled down. The components get linked together smoothly. You just watch the progress bar fill up to 100%. We boot AutoCAD for the very first time. The main workspace comes up, the drawing canvas appears in the center. Every tool panel and the command line load up clean and are fully responsive to your input today. Your AutoCAD install is fully verified and calibrated. Jump over to our webpage to grab the full version. Start drafting today. Drop a comment with your first project. Catch you in the next one.